Now we are treating our patients with a new technology called Profound, which I feel is the most advanced technology today on the market. And this is a radio frequency needling device. And this was developed over many years by a colleague of mine actually in New York. And the device has shown improvements of getting a 25 to 30% improvement on a regular basis in most patients who receive this treatment. And what it is you anesthetize the skin locally. Patients do not have to have sedation or be put under at all. And once the skin is numb, one then uses this handpiece, which has a cartridge which inserts needles into the skin. And the needles get inserted into the skin, and then one presses a button, and heat transduces from the machine through the wiring into the needles, and we heat the skin for 3 seconds at a time. We know exactly what temperature it is. We know what the skin is able to bear without burning. So the combination of the needles and the heat into the skin placed deeply into the skin. So we don't have to transduce the heat through a transducer on top of the skin. We're actually placing the heat energy right into the skin, right into the fat in some cases. That maximally heats the tissue, and that's what's getting good results. And the downtime is 4 or 5 days of a little bruising and swelling. One can sometimes get away with makeup and still go out. So the Profound is a treatment which we are now calling our non-surgical facelift. Now that we have a treatment that actually does lift the skin of the lower face and the neck, improves the jowls, improves the nasolabial folds, and improves the loose skin in the neck, we can call it a non-surgical facelift. So one can expect from the Profound treatment always having some result, but one has to wait because the collagen builds up gradually over a few weeks, and then it starts maturing and tightening. So results occur over a 3-month period. So one sees the result or the final results at 3 months. One can see a result possibly at 2-3 weeks, but the best result or the final results usually at about 2 to 3 months. But one doesn't always respond as well as the next person. Once again, people who have a thicker skin and more collagen in their skin, more fibrous tissue, they're the ones who respond the best. So with this Profound procedure, we only have to treat the patient once, and they don't need to be treated again for 3 or 4 years because the results that are achieved will last 3 years. So besides actually creating some results, it's also slowing down the loosening effect of the face, and so it delays the need for a potential facelift procedure.